video, I'm going to share with you how you go about downloading Microsoft Excel. Now, you may already have it as part of your organization's Microsoft Office program, but Microsoft Excel 365 is part of the Microsoft 365 suite. You can easily purchase an individual license by going to Microsoft.com, and it should automatically redirect to your country. From here, if you happen to be a student, you can choose Shop for Students, or if you're at a university or some sort of educational institution, have a chat to one of your contacts there who can probably tell you if you have access to free or very low cost Microsoft Office access. If you're an individual, the cost is around $100 a year, and of course at the time of recording, that's what it is. To purchase Microsoft 365, you only need to go to the website, choose Microsoft 365, and you have a range of different options, depending on what you need. If you're in an organization, I recommend that you don't access Microsoft Excel or any of the Microsoft programs via this mechanism. Talk to your human resources business partner or your IT department about how to get access in your organization. But if you're looking to download Microsoft Office for yourself or Microsoft 365, personal and family will be the place where you want to go. From here, you can see that you have different options. I'm based in Australia, so you can see for 129 Australian dollars for the year, I can get access to all these programs: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Windows Defender, OneDrive, which is a storage feature, Microsoft Outlook, OneNote, as well as some Clipchamps and some family safety. So it's worth taking a look because these days the cost far outweighs what you get in return, particularly if you're doing a lot of documentation, letter writing, etc. It'll pay for itself in the long run. So that's how you can go about downloading Microsoft Excel or any of the Microsoft Office programs.